Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I just wanted to introduce you to what I'm going to be doing around here and how things are going to go. And
oh, what do you think you're
I
doing?
was just...
No.
But
This is my channel.
well, I want to do...
This is...
No, me. No, I want to...
me. I'm doing this.
But I...
Me. Not
No, I want to...
this.
No, I want to do this. This is what I want to... I want to do YouTube. Can I please do...
No. Okay.
Shh. But...
Shh. Me. Okay? Thanks.
What's going on, guys? Oh, that was fun. For real though. I just wanted to, number one, I want to thank you for stopping through. This has been really weird for me, so if you're coming here from Don't Hate the Geek, thank you for following me. I really appreciate it. If you're new, this is kind of what you can expect from this channel going forward. There are a couple uploads that I've done over the last couple years, but this is kind of what you can expect going forward. I'll be doing mostly headphone reviews, wired, wireless, truly wireless, that sort of thing. I'll also probably do a couple, you'll see some stuff with cell phones. I might do a case review, or I might do a full review. I'm planning on doing a Note 10 Plus review. This is going to be a my review type of deal, so if you're in it looking for specs, pretty much if I ever get a phone that I'm going to review, if you're looking for specs, I'm sorry, but you probably won't find them from me. What else? Honestly, anything that I want. That's just how it's gonna be. It's anything that I want to do. You might see like a Loot Crate type box, one of those subscription boxes. You might see speakers, headphones, obviously, backpacks. You know, if it's something that I bought, and generally most of the stuff on this channel, chances are I'm gonna buy at least to start, until, you know, I can talk some crazy bastard into actually sending me something for free. But most of the stuff I buy is I overthink everything that I buy, especially stuff that's really expensive, and I don't want anybody else to make a bad decision for them. So I'll do my best to cover everything, so that maybe someone else might either want or not want to get something, you know. But like I said, I'll do my best. What else? You know, I think that covers it. Anything tech, I'll cover. It's mostly going to be audio though. I'm gonna be straight up, be honest with you. Mostly going to be audio, and anything else tech related that you can think of. If my pockets are deep enough for it, I'll end up buying it, and I'll end up reviewing it, doing an unboxing, that sort of thing. You won't find B-roll here. If you do, it's gonna be few and far in between. That's not my style. It's a lot of other people's style, and that's great. That's fantastic. But for me, you're not gonna see a lot of B-roll out here. Maybe a little bit here and there, but it ain't gonna be a lot. Sit back, relax, enjoy yourself. Grab a beer if you're old enough. If you're not, get a juice, some water. You know, I tend to be long-winded, as you're probably seeing right now, but I'm really just here to have fun, and I'm doing this because I want to, and I hope you join me. I'm out for now. Later.